Hi, I'm Tracy Ashbridge. I'm an accredited lead teacher with AITSL, and I love mentoring people to also become a lead teacher or a highly accomplished teacher. Almost every week I get a call or an email from somebody who is really frustrated trying to get started on their HALT portfolio, and they just don't know where to start. So I've written a course to take you through the steps to be a successful HALT applicant. Let's take a look at the lessons. There are 11 lessons in the course, taking you through from what is a HALT, what are the standards, and then how to break it up into small parts so you can plan your evidence and prove that you are a lead teacher or a highly accomplished teacher. If we go into one of the lessons, you'll be able to see that we have some information to help you, some videos to talk you through different steps, and also some links out to the AITSL website and other useful places which will help to support you to complete your portfolio. Let's take a look at the bonuses. So as soon as you sign up, you'll have instant access to those 11 lessons, and you'll have access to those for a lifetime. There is no 6 month or 1 year access to this. This is for life. And if there are updates along the way, we'll let you know. I will also provide everybody who signs up with a 30-minute chat with me. So we can have a strategy call and talk about your role and how HALT applies to you. Some people think that their role doesn't apply to HALT, but it does. Everybody that is in the education sector should be able to apply for HALT. It's been written to be open-ended enough that regardless of if you are a prep teacher or a high school PE teacher, you should be able to apply for HALT. So let's have a look at how you can do that. One other thing I have on my site is I have access to lots and lots of people who have done their HALT with me and have been really kind and provided me with examples of their real life annotations and evidence to help support you to see what it looks like, because for most people that's the key part. I just don't know what it should look like. So hopefully there's lots and lots of evidence here now to help you see what your portfolio could look like. I am so confident that this course will help you, that I'm offering a 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. If this course does not help you to complete your HALT portfolio, so you've got nothing to lose. Sign up now and let's have you as another accredited HALT in Australia.